Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel at Save Green here, where we dedicate our channel to helping you save green or saving money on everyday little things here and there, but we also do occasional reviews on technology. So right here you can see we have the Galaxy Note 9, the latest Galaxy Note series phone from Samsung, and as you can see that's the way the front looks like. But one of the cool things about this phone is the S Pen, which has been a trademark of the Samsung Galaxy Note phones. And this, of course, again being the Note 9, pretty cool the way they designed the pen with the yellow coloring. It's pretty stylish, I guess you can call it. But you see that button there? This allows you to walk away from your phone, put it in a camera mode on a tripod, take a group picture if you'd like, or let's say you're traveling by yourself and you have your tripod set it up in a way that you can walk away, discreetly hold this pen like this or however you want so it doesn't come out in the picture, press the button, and you can take your picture that way. So that's something pretty cool I like about it. And in reality, I'm going to show you something else that we got for it to put on any tripod. Okay, so if you look at this, it's basically a little black holster that you put onto your, let me just get this out of the way so I don't scratch it. You basically put it on your tripod and then just put your phone in here, put on your tripod. You can actually turn this wheel here and turn this however you'd like. So if you were going to take a picture, okay, you can just slide your phone in there like so, and it adjusts to the size of the phone. Obviously different phones have different sizes. The Notes are a little larger phones, so you can just slide that in there. Actually, that's not even large enough. Let's just make sure that this will fit in there. Okay, that looks like it's about right. So see, so once you get it in there, you slide it, and then you can, of course, tighten it down a little bit, and then you can just take your picture that way. So that's a pretty cool little tool to have. And let's just get that out of there. Okay, so that's a little nice tool to have, so you can put it on your tripod, take pictures of it. I'll post a link down there on the description so you can get it for yourself. But of course, we haven't set up the phone yet, so let me just show you in the settings about the phone. And of course, I'm going to cover the information that is private, like our phone number and the serial number of the phone. But you can see it's the model number SM N960U1, and as you see right there on my thumb, it is the Galaxy Note 9. Now the different model numbers, the SM9N960U, you would have different versions of it, but the one, that little one at the end, I'll show you why that's important. Because with that, I'm going to go here and try to take the SIM card out right here at the top. With that, it's telling you that the phone is 100% unlocked. Okay, and as you can see there, we do have our Mint Mobile SIM card in there. So you can see that we have the SIM card in there. We're going to pop it back into the phone, and once that SIM card is in there, we're going to make a phone call. Okay. I know I've done this before, but this is just to show you that
First Church of Christ Science Miami invites you to listen to our service.
That we have the ability to make phone calls on it. Now, there are other cool things about it that are proprietary to Samsung, and it's up to you Some of you prefer having the true Android experience, like the Pixel phones. The OnePlus is also a very nice phone if you want closer to just straight Google. The Essential phone right now is also another phone that gives you that ability. But with Samsung, you do have Samsung apps. Now, if you have a Samsung account with Samsung Cloud and so forth, then in that case you can just continue resetting it the way you've had it before. And you still have your Google apps as well, like we mentioned to you before. But just wanted to give you a quick overview of the phone. One of the things that most users like is the S Pen feature with regards to taking photos while you're away from your phone, like on a tripod and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. It does take really fabulous photos. If that's something that you wanted to get on a new phone. I know photography is being pushed lately in the phone industry because phones are getting better and better each time, but you want to look more into not just a phone, but have a great camera on your phone. So it does come with the charger, the adapter, headphones, and USB wire. It is a rapid charger, and of course the manual. Since this is not a branded type of phone from Samsung, as far as the Note 9, the model that we told you about with the 1 at the end, you will see that on the box there's absolutely no branding like T-Mobile, Verizon, or AT&T or anything like that. Whereas if you look at another phone, here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and you can see that it's branded. You can see the T-Mobile there as well. So they are branded. But again, this is a fully unlocked phone. I just wanted to show to everyone out there if indeed this model number that we're looking at right now is indeed 100% unlocked to the point that it will work on carriers such as Mint Mobile, because right now Mint Mobile, using T-Mobile's networks, does provide great service, great reception, and you can also save yourself a lot of money that way as well. So if you're looking to save yourself a lot of money on your cellular wireless plan, and you're looking for a good, reliable company that will have good, reliable service, so you want to go ahead and try them out as well. So I'll post some links below on the description, including where you can get this guy for about $5 or $6. Really cool device to have mounted on your tripod, and you're done. So thank you for watching. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here.